Hey everyone, welcome back to Young Founders Club. If you've been thinking about turning your knowledge into an online course, there's no better time to start than now. With the online learning industry booming, creating an online course in 2025 can be a lucrative way to share your expertise, build your brand, and earn some serious passive income. In today's video, I'll walk you through a simple, step-by-step guide on how to create an online course. We'll cover everything you need, from planning to launching, and I'll even share some helpful affiliate tools that will make your course building journey easier. So grab a notebook, and let's dive in. Step 1. Choose your niche. First things first, let's talk about choosing your niche. This is one of the most crucial steps. Ask yourself, what are you really good at? What do people often come to you for advice on? Think about a topic you're passionate about but also something that's in demand. Research is key here. Use tools like Google Trends to see what topics are trending, or go to course platforms like Udemy and Skillshare to see what's popular. A useful affiliate tool here is SEMrush. It's great for keyword research, so you can find out exactly what people are searching for. I'll put the link in the description below if you want to check it out. Step 2. Define your target audience. Next up, let's define your target audience. Are they beginners, intermediates, or advanced learners? Knowing your audience helps you tailor your content to meet their specific needs. A tool I recommend for this is HubSpot's Persona Creator. It's free and can help you create a detailed profile of your ideal audience. The better you know your audience, the easier it'll be to create content that resonates with them. Step 3. Outline your course content. Start by breaking down your topic into key sections or modules. Think about the journey you want to take your students on, from start to finish. Each module should focus on one specific learning outcome to keep things organized and digestible. Use Notion or Trello for outlining and organizing your course structure. These tools help you map out the flow of your course so nothing gets left out. Step 4. Create engaging content. Once your outline is set, it's time to create the actual content. Remember, the quality of your course depends on how engaging and clear your lessons are. You don't need a professional studio. A smartphone and a good microphone are enough to get started. For recording, I recommend Camtasia or ScreenFlow for Mac users. These are user-friendly tools to record high-quality videos and screen captures. If you want to take your editing to the next level, try Adobe Premiere Pro. And if you're on a budget, Canva is fantastic for creating visuals like infographics and worksheets that enhance your lessons. Step 5. Choose the right platform. Now, where will your course live? Choosing the right platform is important for hosting and selling your course. Some popular platforms include Teachable, Thinkific, and Kajabi. Each platform has its pros and cons, so choose based on your needs. Teachable and Thinkific are great for beginners and allow you to build your course for free initially, while Kajabi offers more robust features but comes with a higher price tag. If you're serious about growing your online course business, Kajabi might be worth the investment. Step 6. Set the right price for your course. Pricing can be tricky, but don't worry, I've got a few tips. Research similar courses to see what they're charging. Remember, value is more important than cost. If your course solves a big problem or teaches a valuable skill, people will pay more for it. A great affiliate tool for price testing is Gumroad. You can use it to offer different pricing tiers or even a pay what you want option to see what resonates best with your audience. Step 7. Create a landing page. To sell your course effectively, you need an engaging landing page that tells potential students what they'll gain. Your landing page should include your course title, a brief overview, a list of benefits, and testimonials if you have them. For building landing pages, try Leadpages or ClickFunnels. These tools have pre-built templates and are easy to use. Also, ConvertKit is great for capturing emails, so you can build a list of interested people before your course goes live. Step 8. Promote your course. Promotion is key to getting those sign-ups. Start with social media. Share snippets of your content on Instagram, TikTok, or LinkedIn, depending on where your audience hangs out. You can also create a blog or YouTube channel to share valuable content related to your course topic. Affiliate marketing can also be a powerful way to promote. Join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates if you have materials, tools, or books to recommend. And don't forget about Facebook ads or Google ads if you have a small budget for paid promotions. Step 9. Collect feedback and improve. After launching, collect feedback from your students to see what they loved and where you could improve. Send out surveys, read reviews, and listen to what people are saying. This feedback is invaluable for refining your course and making it even better. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating an online course in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned expert or just starting out, following these steps can help you turn your knowledge into a successful course and earn passive income. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more business tips. Thanks for watching and best luck with your online course journey.